Welcome to VinylMod. In this video we will show you how to install the VinylMod overlay. Before starting, please ensure that you have unboxed the package. Your package includes your VinylMod overlay, basic installation instructions and alcohol preparation wipes. Please clean the area of installation in preparation for the install. First, take your VinylMod overlay and gently apply pressure on top of each letter. This helps to reduce the chances of bubbles and eases the installation process. You will notice that each letter is separated. Simply peel one letter off at a time, slowly aligning the vinyl with the emblem. Once you have proper alignment, apply pressure over the transparent layer. When completed, you can carefully remove the transparent layer. If any of the vinyl lifts up, slowly reapply. Now you can move on to the next letter, repeating the same steps. Congratulations! You have completed the VinylMod overlay. Now, time to step back and enjoy your new VinylMod. Please like our video and subscribe to our channel. And remember, you can follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for all our latest products and promotions. Thank you for choosing VinylMod.